This was an eye look that I created for viewer. So now I'm going to change this look into a second look. So stay tuned if you want to see how that turned out. Okay, need to drink something. I don't think it's going to be black lipstick, but I'll see. The rest of the look is going to change. We start with a red look and we are going to fix it into something else. So it's almost like a two look in one, but this one was on its own. That's it. I should have my brushes ready, but I don't. Okay. I think I need a denser brush. I recorded? Yes, I am. Okay. That's noise from someone inside the house. Both of my eyes are different size. One is completely shaped differently than the other, so I tried to be as accurate as possible. So if you ever feel that you need to create something on YouTube and you're afraid, just go for it. Just do it. Just record whatever it is that you think you're afraid of. Just do it. You will feel better in the end. Just record it. Don't be afraid. Fear is just a disguise. It will disguise you into telling you you're not good enough, you're not you. Don't be afraid of fear. There are some fears you have to conquer and to be you. I'm 54 and I'm on YouTube, and I don't give a rat's ass, honey. I wake up in the morning, I say my prayers, I take my shower, I do my full face of makeup, I have my coffee, and I enjoy the rest of my day. That's it. You can do it too. One always looks much bigger than the other. Two different shaped eyes. But you know what? I am going to still create me. That's it. I will still create me, what I love. Okay, we have this one looks this way. This one looks, one eye is bigger than the other, so I gotta try and go as close as possible to it and make it good, make it good. Black lipstick? No, I think I'll change the lipstick. Just an inspiration video to let you know that if you've been thinking of YouTube and you think you're too old or you're not pretty enough or you're not savvy enough or tech savvy, or you think something is wrong with you, look into the mirror and tell yourself you are enough, because that's all it is. You are enough. You're here on this beautiful earth for a reason. Make it work. Do your magic. It doesn't have to be makeup, it could be anything else, but create your magic. Now I'm darkening up the eyebrows. This is almost done, you see? Okay, so I added the black to the all red eyes, and I darkened the brows, and I darkened the under eye, and I darkened my lids. The blush stays the same. The lips I gotta adjust. So we can do that together. We will adjust the lips. Right? We are fixing it. I'm just being creative. As it comes to me, I just do it. And you can do the same. red lipstick. Where are my red lipsticks? Black Radiance red lipstick. I think he forget I'm recording. This is not as red as I think. Needs to dry. I add my black. I made everything darker, and I change a little bit of my lip color because I love to be creative. My mind is different than yours. Yours is different than mine. And that's what I appreciate about art. It is all different. Stand out. Be creative. Do your stuff. And this is today's simple eyeshadow look. Red and black. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Self is important. And always take a chance on you. It might not work for everybody else what you do, but it works for you. If it makes you happy, that's good. If you're not hurting anybody or hurting yourself and it's bringing you joy, that is a fantastic thing. Have fun. Be creative. It doesn't have to be makeup. It could be anything else that you want to be creative with. Do that. Don't let fear stop you. I am 54 and I'm having a ball with the makeup. Whatever comes to mind, I do it. I am happy doing it. I have fun doing it. Spread a little bit of joy to you and then spread some joy to others. I hope that will motivate you to do whatever it is that you've been thinking about and putting on the back burner for a long time. Now is the time to take it off, and do something with it. Whether it turns out good or bad, at least you did something with it. That's it. That's all that matters. You did something with it. And this is today's look. I love you. I appreciate you. And I will see you soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.